Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have tried creating this blue with pink eye look, which is so fresh and looks so beautiful. Guys, this look can be worn on any of the holidays like on the beach or any of your pool parties. So it looks amazing. So guys, before we start our video, please do subscribe, share and like so that I come up with some more amazing videos for you guys. So let's get started. Now first, to moisturize my face, I'm using this Pond's Super Light Gel. It's an amazing moisturizer for all skin types. It is non-sticky and a oil-free moisturizer, so any of the skin type can use, but I highly recommend for the girls who have oily skin, combination skin and acne prone skin. And now I'm not using any foundation today. I'm going to use this BB cream from Pond's. My shade is 01 Original. I think there are 3 shades available in this BB cream, so you all can choose accordingly. But trust me guys, this BB cream is one of the best BB cream I have used. It gives you a super coverage with a light formula and as good as foundation. Sorry guys, the blending video got deleted by mistake, but you all already know that I just blend with my regular brush. And now I'm using this Lakme Compact. This is in the formula Wet and Dry. One of my most favorite compact after MAC. And now to make my eyebrows, I'm using this Miss Claire brow pencil in the shade brown. First, I'm just combing it down and filling my gaps. And you all can see how easily, within no seconds, I can do my brows. Now just pushing it up and yes, it's done. Girls, doing my brows is very necessary for me. But if you all don't like to, you all can ignore. But I would tell you all to just try once. I'm sure you're going to love the way it defines the look. I hope you all can see the difference. And now starting off with the eyeshadow. These palettes are one of the oldest palette. I think must be around even 7 years back. And it has all beautiful shades. And here I've just picked the pink color first and applying it in the outer side of the eye. I highly recommend this palette for all the beginners because girls who cannot invest on the products can try these Mars eyeshadow palettes. It is always available on Amazon and Flipkart for just rupees 350 or even inside 500. But you have all the colors in just one palette. One palette has all the matte shades and the other palette has all the shimmery shades. So you don't need anything else if you have these two. I'm just placing the color here first, just the outer half. Guys, you all can see the pigment of this color. Isn't it beautiful? Now I'm gonna pick this blue color and will be applying it in the inner half of my eye. You all can see how pigmented it is. Wow. It is a bit chalky, but never mind. For the amount what you're giving, you're getting enough. It's worth it. I'm lost with Just pick the color and place it. And now taking a clean brush, I am using any of the light color. You all can take the light peach, light pink, light mustard color, light yellow, or a light normal flesh color. I have picked the light mustard color and just blending them all well together so that there are no harsh lines and everything looks defined. So can you all see the difference? This side has the harsh line, and now when I blend it, everything is gonna look smooth. And now after blending, I'm just placing the pink color once again so that it looks more bright and vibrant. And now again, after changing the brush, I'm picking the blue color and just placing it under the, I'm not taking it too high, if you all can see. And now I'm using the Miss Claire glue to stick my lashes. Guys, I have made a separate video on how to fix your falsies, so you all can have a check. It's on my channel. It is very easy to do this way. I have just applied the glue like a liner first, and I'm just gonna stick the lashes. Here, after just applying a thin line, I'm just sticking the lashes. You all can see it's already fixed, and now it is done. I'll just finish the other eye and be back. Here I'm done with both the sides, and now I'm just dusting off the fallouts. Now for the mascara, I'm using this Maybelline Colourcel mascara, one of the best mascara from Maybelline. Very good again for the beginners. Just mixing my lashes with the falsies so that everything looks even. And girls, if you all don't know how to fix your lashes, it's fine. You all can just apply the mascara. Even that looks very nice for this look. And now I'm just using a earbud so that I can show you all that you don't need any particular brushes to use for each of your eye look. You all can see how beautifully it is smudging. And now I'm gonna use blue color, just the inner side after this pink. Now using the other side of the bud, I'll be picking the color blue again and just applying it on the other half. Girls, as this makeup is especially for the beginners, see how easily you can do your makeup with just a earbud. And I can do whole of my eye look with just a earbud, which I'll be showing in maybe any of my video later. Now I have picked a clean earbud and I'm just cleaning the line so that if there is any kind of fallouts, it is all clean. And for the blush, today I'm using the Savannah blush. It has got a beautiful sheen in it. You don't even need highlighter after this. This is in the shade 04. It is a very beautiful light pink color. I'm not taking too much of this color today because I wanted the face to be very subtle as my eye is a little bright today. And today I did not wanted to use black or a white kajal, so I'm going with this grey kajal. This is from the brand Faces Canada. You all already know it is one of my favorite kajal. The black color is superb in this. And now to line my lips, I'm using the Nykaa pencil. And for the lipstick, I'm using this Maybelline lipstick. It is in the powder matte finish. It is in the shade Get Ready. It is a very beautiful pink. To keep my lips very light and subtle, I'm just smudging the lipstick with my finger itself. And now to contour my face, I'm using this Flower Beauty Trio palette. It has got beautiful 3 shades in it, which is a blush, highlighter and a contour. Girls, isn't it beautiful? I hope you like this look. And now, just to use or add a little bit of highlighter, I am using the highlighter from the same palette. It is a very beautiful highlighter. Guys, you all can buy this palette just because of the highlighter. It is that good. Guys, if you all want to learn or want me to create any kind of look, you all can please comment down in my channel so that I can create whatever look you want. I am happy that I have many viewers, but I don't know why they hesitate to comment or ask me about the products. Please keep your heart open and ask me whatever you feel like. I promise that I will reply back. And this is the final look. I hope you all like this video and this eye look, as I try to create something different for you guys. So please do appreciate, show some love, show some likes, and also do comment on my channel if you all like this look. And like always, I don't know much of hairstyles, but I try to do something for you guys. So here it comes in very little kind of different hairstyles. I tried to create like a band style hair look for all the cute young girls, and this kind of hair look for all the funky girls. And there's always a pony, which looks good for the girls who doesn't like to leave their hair open. I've just added a pair of earring. And there is another one like this. And that's it, guys. I hope you like this video. See you all soon in my next video. Bye bye. Take care.